Serums are concentrated formulas packed with powerful ingredients that can target specific skin concerns. By selecting the right serum, you can give your skin the nourishment it needs for a healthy and radiant complexion. In this video, we'll explore different skin types and recommend the best serums for each one. Let's get started. Normal skin. Having normal skin is a fortunate blessing, as it means you don't have to deal with significant skin issues. However, maintaining your skin's health is still important. For normal skin, we recommend the following serums. Retinol. Known for its anti-aging properties, retinol can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant brightens the skin, evens out the complexion, and promotes a healthy glow. Glycolic acid. It gently exfoliates the skin, promoting cell turnover and revealing a smoother and more radiant complexion. Aging skin. As the years pass by and leave their gentle marks upon our faces, our skin longs for some extra affection and care, desiring a touch that is truly unique and tailored to its changing needs. If you're worried about aging skin, consider incorporating the following serums into your routine. Peptide. Peptides help stimulate collagen production, improving elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin C. This antioxidant not only brightens the skin, but also helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and fine lines. Retinol. An excellent choice for aging skin, retinol can minimize wrinkles, promote cell turnover, and improve skin tone and texture. Combination skin. Combination skin can be tricky to manage since it involves both oily and dry areas. To balance your skin, try incorporating the following serums into your routine. Niacinamide. This ingredient helps regulate sebum production, minimizing oiliness without drying out the skin. Glycolic acid. It gently exfoliates the skin and helps with congestion and texture issues. Retinol. Retinol can address both oily and dry areas, promoting overall skin health and balance. Acne-prone skin. Addressing acne can often feel exasperating, but the right serum holds the promise of delivering extraordinary transformations. For acne-prone skin, we suggest using the following serums. Retinol. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, retinol can help unclog pores and reduce acne breakouts. Salicylic acid. This beta-hydroxy acid penetrates deep into the pores, exfoliating and clearing out debris to prevent acne. Benzoyl peroxide. It has antibacterial properties that target acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Oily skin. To address oily skin effectively, it's crucial to incorporate serums that effectively regulate sebum production while preserving the skin's natural balance. Consider the following options. Salicylic acid. This oil-soluble ingredient penetrates the pores, reducing oiliness and preventing breakouts. Retinol. A derivative of vitamin A, retinol can regulate sebum production and promote a clearer complexion. Glycolic acid. It exfoliates the skin, removing excess oil and helping to refine the appearance of pores. Dry skin. Dehydrated skin craves an invigorating caress, yearning for the vital infusion of moisture and revitalizing nutrients needed to restore its precious balance of hydration. For dry skin, we recommend the following serums. Hyaluronic acid. This powerful humectant attracts and retains moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and plump. Ceramides. They help strengthen the skin's barrier, preventing moisture loss and improving skin texture. Lactic acid. A gentle exfoliant, lactic acid removes dead skin cells and promotes hydration, leaving the skin smooth and supple. Niacinamide. It helps retain moisture and improves the skin's natural barrier function, reducing water loss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.